Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to flip faces reversing the front and back sides in Blender. For this tutorial, we will be using a blog post we have prepared. If you would prefer to follow along with the written instructions rather than the video, you can find the link in the description below. Now let's get started. We often receive questions from users who import their Blender assets into Unity, only to find that some parts of the model appear transparent, allowing you to see right through them. One of the common causes for this issue is that the faces of the asset are facing the wrong way. Specifically, the back side of the face is facing outwards, where the front side should be. This video should help you resolve this issue. So let's look at the steps. First, switch to edit mode so we can edit the mesh and make sure you are in face select mode. Next, click to select the face you want to flip. If you're not sure which faces are facing the wrong way, we will show you how to check that now. To check the orientation of your faces, we can use the viewport overlays. First, click on the viewport overlays drop-down arrow near the top right of the viewport. Then check the box next to face orientation. Once enabled, all faces on your model will be highlighted in either blue or red. Blue represents the front side of the face, and the red represents the back side. This means any red areas currently facing outwards are reversed and need to be flipped. To flip the selected face, go to the top menu and click on Mesh, then navigate to Normals and click Flip. As you can see, the selected face has been successfully flipped and now appears in blue, showing that the front side is facing outwards. When exporting assets to Unity, please make sure that all faces intended to be visible are highlighted in blue. If you have other red areas on your mesh, you will need to select them and follow the same steps to flip them to blue. That is how to flip faces in Blender to correct their orientation. We hope this video helps resolve any transparency issues you might have encountered. As mentioned earlier, the link to our blog post is in the description below if you would like to review the text. At Sparkle and we regularly post tutorials and guides on Blender, Unity, and app development. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.